Faizadida. So the topic I have chosen for presentation that is salts. So basically it is the topic of chapter 8 in which there are the three subtopics acid, bases and salts. So basically the salts are formed by the neutralization reaction. Basically neutralization reaction in which when acid reacts with a base, then the salt plus water is formed. That is the neutralization reaction in which the salts are formed. So there are the three types of salts, and there are the three types of the salt. These are acidic, basic and neutral. So when we will talk about the acidic salts, in these acidic salts, when a strong acid reacts with weak bases, then the salt will be formed. And in the acidic salts, the acidic properties are dominant over the basic properties. If both acidic properties will be dominant over the basic properties, then the salt will be said to be the acidic salt. So acidic salts उन्हनि खे चवंदा आहियूं जंहिंमें जेके strong acids आहिनि उहे react कनि weak bases सां ऐं कठे उन्हनि जो प्रोडक्ट जेको आहे उन्हनि में salt form थिए plus water form थिए. हाणे जीअं हिकिड़ो हिते एग्जांपल लिखियलु आहे जंहिंमें हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड आहे जेको हिकु स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड आहे ऐं उनखे असां रिएक्ट था करायूं हिकु वीक बेस सां जेको अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आहे त हुन बाय प्रोडक्ट्स जेके फॉर्म था थियनि उहे अमोनियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर था थियनि. त इहो जेको आहे हिकु एग्जांपल आहे एसिडिक सॉल्ट जो. नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू द बेसिक सॉल्ट. So when a weak acid reacts with a strong base, then it is said to be the basic salt. In the basic salt, the properties of the base are dominant over the acidic properties, and that salt is said to be the basic salt. And इन में असां एग्जांपल खणूं था जीअं जेको इन स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड जीअं सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आहे उनखे असां रिएक्ट था करायूं हिकु वीक बेस सां. जीअं असां एसिटिक एसिड था खणूं त हुन जा जेके बाय प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म थींदा उहे थींदो सोडियम एसीटेट प्लस वाटर थींदो. हाणे हे जेको सॉल्ट आहे हिनखे असां चवंदासीं बेसिक सॉल्ट. छाजे लाइ? हिन में जेको बेस यूज़ थियो आहे उहो हिकु स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस आहे ऐं हुन जी प्रॉपर्टीज़ जेके आहिनि उहे डोमिनेंट आहिनि ओवर द वीक बेस, त हुनखे असां बेसिक सॉल्ट चवंदासीं. हाणे असां ईंदासीं न्यूट्रल रिएक्शन ते. सो न्यूट्रल salts ते. So basically there are the two conditions for neutral salts. One is that either there should be a strong acid plus a strong base, or the weak acid and weak base. So in this situation, this is not confirmed that it is a neutral salt because it can be an acidic, it can be basic, but we are only taking example of the neutral salt in condition of weak acid and weak base. So there are the examples. For example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, then the products are formed, that is the sodium chloride plus water. Sodium chloride is a neutral salt. It is said to be neutral salt because in this strong acid and strong base are reacted with each other, and it is said to be and sodium chloride is said to be the neutral salt. And the last one example in which I have taken the weak acid and weak base, then the products are formed is the neutral salt plus water. So in this acetic acid is a weak acid and we are reacting it with a weak base sodium hydroxide, and then the product that is formed, that is the acid sodium ammonium acetate plus water. So these were the basically types of salts, and there are furthermore 4 types of the salt, but these are the types on the basis of reactivity with water. So now the topic comes here, subtopic hydrolysis. So hydrolysis is basically opposite to the neutralization, and the neutralization reaction, when there was an acid and it reacts with base, then the salt plus water was formed. But in the hydrolysis reaction, when we will just in this reaction, when a salt will when the salt is reacted with the water, then the products acid and the base will be formed. So these are the 4 types of the salts on the basis of reactivity with water. Means all types were on the basis of neutralization reaction, and these all are related to the hydrolysis. So the first type is strong एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस। हाणे स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड ऐं स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस में इहो हूंदो त असां एसिड जेको आहे उहो बि स्ट्रॉन्ग हूंदो, कठिन सां जेको बेस खणंदासीं उहो बि स्ट्रॉन्ग हूंदो। हाणे जॾहिं एसिड फॉर एग्जांपल असां HCl था खणूं, उहो हिकु जगह स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड आहे, उनखे असां रिएक्ट था करायूं, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आहे, उहो बि हिकु स्ट्रॉन्ग जेको आहे बेस आहे। ऐं इन्हनि जा जेके प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म थींदा उहो सोडियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर थींदो। त हे जेको रिएक्शन थियो इन में छा आहे त स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड ऐं स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस जो थियो। ऐं हिन में इहो हूंदो आहे जेका pH हूंदी आहे उहा बि न्यूट्रल हूंदी आहे, ऐं हिन में जेको साल्ट फॉर्म थींदो आहे उहो न्यूट्रल हूंदो आहे। एज़ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर that this salt sodium chloride was a neutral salt, and in this reaction also the sodium chloride is a neutral salt. So now the type 2 is strong acid and weak base. And if the strong, as we have discussed earlier, if there will be a strong acid, then the salt will be formed, it will be acidic because its properties will be dominant over the basic properties. So for example, we are taking HCl and a strong acid and the weak base sodium ammonium hydroxide, then the products which will be formed will be so in this salt is said to be acidic salt because a strong acid is reacted with a weak base. So in this there will be an acidic salt. Now we are coming to the type 3, that is the weak acid and a strong base. If there will be a weak acid and a strong base, then the properties of a strong acid will be dominant over the acid, and the salt will be said to be the basic salt, and its pH will be above the 7 because as we have already seen that in the pH scale the 7 is the neutral, and the salt which will be is this when there will be strong acid and strong base, the pH will be 7, and when there will be acidic salt, the pH will be lower than the 7. It can be either 1, 2, 3 or up to 5, up to 6. And in the basic salt, its pH will be more than 7. It can be 7, 8, 9 and up to 14. So now the fourth one type is weak acid and weak base. So we can't determine its weak bases, and if there is weak acid and weak base, we can't determine its properties because we have to check its dissociation value, Ka and Kb value. असां इन्हनि में पहिरियां ईअं नथो ख़बर पइजी सघे त इहो साल्ट जेको आहे एसिडिक आहे, बेसिक आहे या फिर न्यूट्रल आहे। पहिरियां असां ॾिसंदासीं हिन जो Kb वैल्यू, डिसोसिएशन वैल्यू, उन खां बाद में ख़बर पवंदी त हुननि जी pH केतिरी आहे, उहो साल्ट जेको फॉर्म थिए थो उहा एसिड आहे या बेस आहे। त हिन में असां फॉर एग्जांपल वीक एसिड था खणूं, एसिडिक एसिड था खणूं, प्लस में वीक बेस था खणूं अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, त हुन जो जेको प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म थींदो उहो हिकु जेको हूंदो न्यूट्रल जेको हूंदो, न्यूट्रल बि थी सघे थो, एसिडिक बि थी थो सघे। ऐं हिन जा एग्जांपल्स ईअं हूंदा आहिनि, हे अमोनियम क्लोराइड आहे, इहो बि हिकिड़ो सॉल्ट आहे जेको वीक एसिड एंड वीक बेस मां थो फॉर्म थिए। So now it's time to end my presentation, and there are many of the diverse uses of salts in our daily life. In our daily life, also in industries, and it is used for many of the purposes. For example, sodium chloride, it is said to be a table salt or the common salt. It is used in our daily life for tasting the food, and it is also used for the preserving purpose. And as we are taking ammonium chloride, it is also used in cough syrups or etc. So it is also useful in our daily life. So that's all.